Luke 6:26. Woe to you when all men speak well of you, for so did their fathers to the false prophet. You are cursed, you are in trouble if everyone is praising you. It means you are pleasing men. It means your vision, it's light, it's not going anywhere. When you embark on a journey of doing something, you'll step on people's toes. People will dislike you. People will go against you. It is normal. What did they do to Jesus' hand? Jesus, the Creator, didn't they want to stone him to death? Pharisees and Sadducees, they were just looking for a way to corner him, to find fault in him so that they can call him a mere man and not the Messiah that they were expecting. He said that the truth will set you free. When you know the truth, it will set you free. There are times whereby you will speak the truth to somebody. The truth pains a lot. When you are told that this and this and this and this and this is wrong, it will pain you even if you accept it. The good thing to do is to accept it. But now, see, it says, so did their fathers to the false prophets. It is very dangerous as someone who will now go out there and speak to people, but people are not pushed to go and check themselves. If the people you are talking to, they don't get to see the need to go and check themselves, like, what am I doing? What I am doing, is it right or wrong? What I said, is it right or wrong? The kind of life I'm living, is it right or wrong? You should be able to do that. I'm not saying go around and accuse people. No, don't. Speak the truth. But let your truth come with grace. There's those that you will tell the truth, they will use that truth against you. But what am I saying today? Don't be worried when people don't like you. You're on the right path. They didn't like Jesus, and he did fulfill his ministry. But I'm not saying go around and make enemies. Stay blessed. In Jesus' name.